What's going on, gardeners? Today I'm going to share with you how you can build a $25 raised bed, yes, even with 2024 prices. Really, if you want nice raised beds, some of them can cost $50, $100, $200, especially for those metal raised beds. But if you don't like the look of metal for whatever reason, or you want to go with wood, and especially cedar wood, which is all natural and helps to repel pests and is rot resistant anyway, well, I'm going to share with you very quickly how. So back a couple years ago, even with that pricing, it's still the same. I bought six fence slats, six foot fence slats, cedar. So that only came out to $24 plus tax. That made it about $25. And then I also just had some 2x4s for the corners, for the center, and for the end there, but I had those lying around, and I'm sure that you have a friend or someone who works, or really does, it doesn't even matter, that has some 2x4s laying around, so that's all you really need to have. If you want a little more sturdy, go ahead and opt for 4x4s for the corners instead, but make sure they're not treated if possible. And then all you have to do is screw in the fence boards into each other. I cut the side rails, so the fence boards that go on the sides in half, so this is only a 3-foot section and this is a full 6-foot section. It's very simple and easy to do. It's basically 1 foot tall, which is a typical height for a raised bed, for a normal sized raised bed. And then all I had to do was position it and put it in the place that I wanted it to go, and voila, a $25 raised bed right here. Even with today's economy, if you want to get started and growing and you have terrible soil for or whatever other reason, maybe you can't bend over as well, then this is very cheap and simple. And you can scale this up too. You can make this 4 layers high, so 2 feet tall. What I would just do in that situation is layer some old dirt, native dirt in the bottom, maybe some sticks, twigs, and logs at the bottom, and then fill up the last foot with good quality garden soil, potting soil, whatever. So this is just a quick tip, just make it your own. You can make it any size that you want. Make it a 4x4. You can make it if you don't have enough room, make it like 4 foot by 2 foot, or 4 foot by 3 foot. It's really up to you. The sky is the limit. So I hope you really like this video, and also if you want to see how I refresh my potting mixes, be sure to stay tuned to see that video. But in the meantime, check out this video right here, which will be awesome.